Okay folks, in this module I'm going to talk about the advantages of training with weights. And there's many advantages. The first advantage is there'll be an increase in strength. An increase in strength can help you just in general daily activities, maybe at work, potentially in a sport that you do. So we've got an increase in strength. The second advantage is it can actually reduce your body fat. And the reason this happens is, one, when you are actually training, you are moving the weight, you are working, so you are burning calories. But also what's happening as well, when you increase your muscle mass, you're actually increasing in effect, your metabolic rate. So you will also burn fat whilst you're at rest. There was a study on cell metabolism done at Boston University in 2008. And that did show that when you weight train, you obviously stress what they call the type 2 muscle fibres, and that results in an increase in your metabolism. So there's fat loss as well. Another advantage is an increase in confidence. When you're feeling a bit stronger, a bit fitter, clothes fit better, you will feel more confident. There's other advantages as well, such as increases in bone density. That can help with ailments as you get older, osteoporosis being one. Also increases your strength of your tendons and your ligaments. Again, great benefits when you get older. Also, training with weight and also with cardio and a good diet can help reduce things such as diabetes. In fact, there was a study by the National Institute of Health, and that showed that the risk of diabetes can be reduced by over 50% by someone who trains with weights and also with cardio and also correct eating habits. So, there's many advantages there. So there's just some of the advantages for training with weights. And another one, if you think about it, when I talk about increases in bone density and tendon strength and ligament strength and also balance and flexibility, sometimes in a gym you will see guys and girls in their 60s, 70s and still training regularly. And these people, they're in good shape, they are moving well and they are doing resistance training. And often they're in better physical condition at that age than maybe someone who in their 30s, 40s, 50s did a lot of cardio, a lot of road running. And it's because of the effect that the resistance training has had on the body. So it can give you a better quality of life when you get older as well. So they're the main advantages for training with weights and resistance training.